March 8, 2014, a routine flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing turns into one of the greatest aviation mysteries of all time. Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, carrying 239 passengers and including crew members, vanishes without a trace. No distress signals, no emergency calls, just gone. What happened to Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 and why, after a decade, we do not have any clear answers? Jabran Younas welcomes you to a new video. The disappearance of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, a Boeing 777-200ER. The flight departed Kuala Lumpur International Airport at 12:41 AM local time, heading for Beijing on what was supposed to be a 6-hour journey. The first 38 minutes were completely normal, but at 1:19 AM, as the plane was leaving Malaysian airspace, the co-pilot's last recorded words were, "Good night Malaysian 370. Moments later, the aircraft's transponder was switched off. It disappeared from civilian radar, and that's where the mystery begins. After disappearing from civilian radar, the plane was still visible on military radar from another hour, but instead of continuing toward Beijing, it made a sharp turn west, back over Malaysia, then southward over the Indian Ocean. No one knows why. Was this a deliberate act, a hijacking, or a mechanical failure? The search for MH370 became the most expensive in aviation history. Initially focused on the South China Sea, it later moved to the southern Indian Ocean based on satellite automated pings between the aircraft and a satellite. But even with advanced technology, all that was found were a few scattered pieces of debris along the coasts of Africa and islands in the Indian Ocean. Many theories have emerged. Some believe it was a pilot suicide. Captain Zahari Ahmed Shah allegedly practiced a similar flight on his home simulator. Others think it was hijacking, possibly linked to passengers with stolen passports. Some suggest a catastrophic electrical failure, or even a cover-up by governments. But without the black box, we may never know. To this day, the main wreckage has never been found. Families of the victims are still searching for answers. In 2018, a private company, Ocean Infinity, conducted a search but found nothing conclusive. The Malaysian government has left the case open. But is there still hope of solving this mystery? Flight MH370 remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our time. Will we ever know what really happened, or is this case that will forever be lost to the depths of the sea? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoy our mystery content, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.